Hello dear students, welcome once again on your online classes. Dear students, in today's video we are going to discuss about the poem Voice of the Rain. We are going to discuss the question answer. I have already uploaded 3 videos based on this poem, in which I have given you the detailed explanation about the poet and the central theme, and second one is about the summary of the poem, and third one is stanza wise explanation of the poem. So if you have not seen this previous video related to this poem, so kindly go into the playlist of class 11th on my channel, and there you can get all these things before you are watching. And if you have seen, now if you have seen the previous video, so let's start. In this video I'm going to give you explanation of the question which are related to this poem Voice of the Rain. So let's start without wasting time. Go ahead, see the question. Now from this poem you can get stanza wise, best question also, direct question also, and if I have kept here direct question, stanza wise also I will give you in next video. This, if you prepare this also, then you can also write the other questions as answer if they are asked stanza wise or line wise, right. In exam 4 lines are given from the poem, and figure of speech and question based on that is asked. So let's do this, and after that we'll do that also, right. Let's see. First question, there are two as in the poem. Who do they belongs to, and which lines indicate this again repeating, this is the poem Voice of the Rain. We are doing question answer. So there are two voices in the poem. Whose voice it is? The two voices in the poems are the voice of the rain and the voice of the poet, right. Whose voice it is? Voice of the rain and the voice of the poet. These two voices belongs to the rain and the poet. Obvious, in this poem is a communication between poet and rain, so obviously it is there is two person only. The lines which indicate, now it is also asking tell which lines. So line which indicate the voice of the rain are I am the poem of the earth. This line indicate that rain is a speaker, one of the speakers said voice of the rain, and the line which indicate voice of the poet are and who art thou. So these two lines indicate that two speakers are there. One is the poet rain itself, and second is the poet. Now let's go to the second question. What does, I hope this is clear. See, what does the phrase strange to tell means? What does the phrase strange to tell mean? See, the phrase strange to tell means that it was strange for the soft falling rain to reply to the poet's question, right. Reply to the poet's question means when poet has got such a reply from the rain, it was a strange thing for him, right. When the poet asks the rain, who art thou, means who are you, the rain replied, I am the poem of the earth, and this reply was a very strange reply to the poet. Now question number third, see, there is a parallel drawn between rain and music, means there is a comparison between rain and music in the poem. Which words indicate this from the poem? Explain the similarity between two. We have to explain the similarity between. See, the line for the song issuing from its birthplace and after fulfillment, wandering, rocked, unrocked, and duly with a love return, draw a parallel between rain and music. Means so a comparison between rain and music. Here the poet compares the life cycle of rain and song. Here the poet compares life cycle of rain and song, as the song originated from the heart of singer wanders to the world, whether liked or not, wanders whether liked or not, comes back to the birthplace in the end with lots of love. Similarly, the rain that originated from the earth, means birthplace, fulfill its duty to beautify and purify the earth, and wonders comes back with the love for its creator. So here is a comparison made between rain and music. Now let's see next question number 4. How is the cycle movement of rain brought out in the poem? Means how the formation of the rain is being highlighted or described in the poem. Compare it with what you have learned in science. See, in the poem, the water rises from the land and bottomless sea in the form of vapor. Okay, we all know it changed from form, transform itself into clouds. It comes down to the earth in the form of rain, was drought The drought provide water, gives life unborn latent seeds inside the earth. The rain purify and beautify the earth. In science, the water is evaporated in the form of water vapor. You know that water cycle, that water get evaporated when it get heated, highly heated, and then it get condensed, and in the sky at a certain level from a cloud, and it's turned into rain at a certain level, no, it get condensed and turned back in the form of ground. See, rain, stream, river, streams, ground, ocean, okay? These are the source of what? Water that help in the water cycle, right? And in the poem, the rain describes eternal journey itself, and in the poem you have seen the rain tell it that to the poet that it is eternal. So dear students, these four questions from this poem Voice of the Rain, I hope it is clear. If you have any comment, you can write me in the comment box. And one more thing, I'm going to post a video in which you will get extract wise, stanza wise based question answer. So don't miss that. Please do subscribe and like and share the channel so that you can get each latest video update on time. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye and good luck.
अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड press the bell icon so that you can get latest notification of my every